Hi guys, and welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe. In this video, we're going to talk about layer masking. So let's dive right into it.
I love it.
Your excitement. So what is a layer mask? A layer mask is a tool in Photoshop or other design softwares which allows you to turn a layer or part of a layer invisible or visible, but most importantly, non-destructive. This way it gives you more editing flexibility rather than deleting a layer or part of a layer using the eraser tool. So let's go to Photoshop to put this into practice, but before we do, did you like and subscribe? If you didn't, please do. It will help my beautiful channel so much. Here I have my image. Create a shape using the shape tool. With your selected shape, click the Add Layer Mask button found at the bottom of the Layers panel. This is your Photoshop mask. Now, with a brush set to black, you can mask out any part of that shape. You can then reverse what you've done because this was all non-destructive by using the color white. If you move your layer around, your mask will follow and stay attached, indicated by the chain link icon located between the layer and layer mask icons. However, you can also unlink the layer and the layer mask, allowing you to move the layer and layer mask around independently, depending on which one you have active. You can also use a layer mask on a group folder with multiple layers. There's so many ways to use this great tool. I use layer masking for almost everything I do, from replacing backgrounds, creating a group or team image from multiple shots, magazine covers where I need the head to overlap the text above the feature person, for removing nylon when suspending products in mid-air, and also for removing stools, ladders or chairs from my levitation shots with models. See this video at the end if you'd like to check that out. And my favorite use for layer masking is my alter ego images. This is where I have multiple versions of the same person interacting with themselves. I also have a video on this. I'll put that at the end also. Even when editing my videos, I use layer masking. The possibilities are endless. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understand this brief introduction to layer masking, and hopefully you can use it in some of your design projects. So until the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and always do more of what makes your ass happy. I'm out.